Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. I'm back from vacation down here in Florida. It's 90 some degrees and my AC still broke. They fixed it for a whole whopping 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. So now it's been going on week 3 of me not having air conditioning. They had the truck all last week to fix it. They fixed it, it lasted not even 2 hours. But this is not the video to complain about my air conditioning. As you can see, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's 90 plus degrees here in Florida. But if you notice today, July 10th, 2019, I went through and I put a lot of my videos, a lot of my live streams back public. What did it do you ask? May 24th, 2019, I hit 50,000 views as of TubeBuddy would said. Well, I put all those live streams on private or unlisted. I did some, both. What did it do, did you ask? It dropped me from 50,000 plus views down to 25,000 views. Boom. I made them public. I did them in increments. So this morning, when I first started, I was 27,000 views, TubeBuddy. After I put them public, the first batch, I got almost 60,000 views right now. I still have some more videos that are are changing over. I think TubeBuddy is like an hour behind. So I'm probably going to end the day well over 70,000 views. So if you're thinking about making your stuff private or making your videos either private or unlisted, you're going to lose your views. I don't know about your watch time. I'm monetized, so watch time don't count for me, but I still want to have watch time, of course. So I went through, I made all my live streams public. That's why you were bombarded today with having a lot of videos relisted. Yes, I relisted all my lives so you all can enjoy and I get the views. So note to self, if you want to keep the views, keep it public. Thank you all for following me today. I'm back from vacation, sweating here in Florida. You all have a blessed day. This is a quick update. If you want to have your videos count, don't private or hide your numbers because your views disappear. I have proof via TubeBuddy. Now it says I'm 635 views away from 60,000 views. This morning before I started, I was at 28,000. I haven't done nothing different except make videos public. So if you're wondering where your views are going, that could be why, because you put stuff private or unlisted. This is my little FYI for today. You all have a blessed day. It's Wednesday, July 10th, 2019. You all have a great day. God bless you. Time to go sweat.